Hey guys, Dane from AWE. Today we're going to be going over the installation of the AFM Valve Simulators for C7 Corvette and Gen 6 Camaro. Let's get started. So we're doing this install on a car that already has the AWE catback installed. If you've got your factory exhaust installed, obviously the first step is going to be to remove that. And then all you have to do is unbolt the AFM valves, there's 3 bolts, and hold on to that factory hardware. We're going to take that factory hardware, bolt it to our AWE Valve Simulators, and then we're going to get this installed up in the vehicle. We want to get this installed in a safe spot where it's not going to be in the way of any heat or moving parts. We're going to want to plug it in and then grab some zip ties and zip tie it safely out of the way. I like to use the gas tank mounting strap here as a good spot. Nice and secure, keeps the valve motor safely out of the way. We're going to repeat these same steps on the opposite side. Make sure your connector is plugged in and locked in place, and safely zip tie it out of the way. There's another gas tank strap on this side that we can use to zip tie the bracket to. Once you have the brackets secured, you can trim the excess on the zip ties and you're ready to go. Well, that wraps up the installation of the AWE AFM Valve Simulators. With these installed, you can successfully delete your AFM valves from your exhaust without worry of a check engine light. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you soon.